Imagine creating a YouTube channel that amasses a massive following without ever showing your face. A thriving community, an expansive audience, all hinging on your ability to captivate and engage without a single glimpse of your image. It's the digital age's take on the age-old adage of mystery sells. Now consider this. What if I told you there's a closely guarded secret that could launch your faceless empire into the stratosphere faster than you ever dreamed possible? This isn't mere speculation. It's a tested formula for success. You might think it's all been done before, but brace yourself for an exhilarating ride, because you're about to embark on a journey to uncover the power of influence through the charming yet invisible world of faceless YouTube channels, a world brimming with opportunities just waiting to be seized. Picture this long-standing tradition. Hundreds, maybe thousands of content creators banding together, merging their creative energies to form select alliances that are unstoppable when united. This is no ordinary league. Amongst them is a group of creators who, through sheer determination and relentless ingenuity, devised a strategy so unique and powerful that they changed the game entirely, shattering previous limitations for themselves and others alike. Mark was one of these creators, a savvy entrepreneur with an unrivaled passion for storytelling and an eye for immaculate detail. Eager to share his invaluable lessons with the world, Mark set out on an audacious mission to conquer YouTube through charm and invisible charisma alone. Mark's revolutionary strategy revolved around a key concept that many creators often overlook: the art of collaboration. He realized that while hard work and consistency can indeed fuel a channel's growth, the real magic happens when you unite with other creators within your niche. Such partnerships can exponentially expand your reach and broaden your audience in ways unimaginable. Hence, Mark actively sought partnerships with like-minded creators who shared his passion for storytelling, weaving a dynamic web of interconnected channels, each channel fueling the other's growth in ways never seen before. Mark embarked on this journey with a simple yet profoundly effective collaboration technique. He initiated themed videos meticulously crafted to resonate with the audiences of his partner channels. However, it wasn't just about guest appearances. It delved much deeper. Each collaborative video was carefully designed, not only to engage the viewer in that instant, but to plant seeds of profound curiosity, compelling the viewer to journey across the web to explore associates' channels for a matrix of content that remained fresh, exciting, and richly interconnected. But here's the most intriguing element. Mark's secret weapon, his hidden ace in the hole, was his uncanny ability to leverage analytics and optimize the collaborative efforts. Mark plunged deep into the depths of viewer demographics, meticulously analyzing patterns and behaviors that informed him about when and where to intricately place collaborative content for maximal impact. This wasn't based on mere guesswork, but a scientific approach to truly capturing the zeitgeist of the digital age in its very essence. Consequently, possessing an intimate understanding of his audience's preferences and the ability to predict trends before they exploded meant that each video, each collaboration, was engineered to be viral by design. This approach transcended mere alignment with Mark's channel, stepping into a realm of creating masterpieces that intertwined harmoniously with his partner's narratives. The result? Explosive virality that solidified growth for everyone involved. Yet, as with any great venture, the journey was not without its trials and tribulations. There were instances when collaborations didn't quite meet expectations, times when styles clashed or when audiences failed to connect with the proposed theme. However, instead of becoming disheartened, Mark refined his strategy, adeptly adjusting his approach with each setback. He learned invaluable lessons from failures too. A narrative twist here, a surprise reveal there, a tweak in the delivery method, and thus he began to fine-tune his collaborative machine into the eventual success it would become. Furthermore, Mark's faceless triumph wasn't solely about networking. It was about weaving a vivid, intricate tapestry of stories that resonated on a global scale. It was about nurturing a thriving community wherein each partner's success was interdependent, sparking creativity with every new engagement. Mark emerged as the unseen mastermind, orchestrating an entire culture of content from behind the curtain. For aspiring YouTube creators yearning to replicate Mark's colossal success, the path may be daring, yet remains crystal clear. Begin by identifying potential partners within your niche, creators who complement your visionary approach and contribute something unique to the collective. Remember, this isn't a mission for the lone wolf. This is a quest for those who fully comprehend the value of shared goals and the power of mutual upliftment. Next, immerse yourself in analytics. Seek to understand your audience more profoundly than they understand themselves. What type of content do they devour? When are they most engaged? Which thumbnails drive their curiosity? This crucial intel becomes your roadmap for planning content that strikes at the very heart of viewers' desires, keeping them engrossed within your ever-growing ecosystem. Moreover, formulating a consistent communication strategy with collaborating partners is paramount. This ensures seamless alignment of deliveries, fluid weaving of content themes, and flawless execution. Always equip yourself with a well-delineated roadmap for each collaboration, where everyone comprehends their role and the stakes involved in the magnificent tapestry of interwoven stories they are crafting. Keep in mind that building a faceless YouTube empire demands far more than sheer willpower. It requires an extraordinary level of creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. As your channel becomes a hub of transcendent content, drawing viewers almost like a magnetic vortex of intrigue, understand that each piece you meticulously craft shifts you closer to becoming a beacon in your niche, a silent yet awe-inspiring force reshaping the framework of digital storytelling. And here's the kicker. Just like the rise of Mark's collective powerhouse, there's always more to the story than meets the eye. Each channel must embrace an evolving narrative, embarking on an overarching quest to captivate viewers while also challenging themselves and their collaborators creatively, continuously pushing boundaries. As you witness this narrative unfold before your eyes, ponder on how Mark's saga eloquently highlights the hidden synergy waiting to be harnessed within the YouTube universe. And ask yourself, are you truly ready and prepared to embark on this exhilarating journey? To pledge yourself to creativity, to partnerships, and to the potential of alliances that may not only shape your channel's destiny, but also redefine your position in the ever-expanding digital constellation? Stay tuned for our next exciting episode, where we delve into the enigmatic art of sustainable influencer networks and explore how they can build your persona beyond the screen, keeping you faceless, yet infinitely powerful.